Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I look like some kind of like odd specimen with my hair like this. I don't know, I don't like it. I don't think I've ever filmed a video without having my hair done, so I'm like very out of my element. But anyways, the reason I am filming this video is because I've been getting so many questions and compliments on my hair recently. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair. A lot of people have been asking me how I curl my hair, and then I tell them that I don't use a curling iron and I use a flat iron, and everyone is just always very confused. So I figured I would film a video on how I do my hair, and that way if anyone ever has a question in the future, I can refer them back to my YouTube channel and they can see this video. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into the video. The flat iron I'm going to be using today is a Chi, and this is by Ulta Beauty. I talked about this in one of my previous videos. I think it was my wig video, and I had just bought this flat iron, and honestly, it's been amazing. This is a really, really good flat iron, and I got it on a huge discount. Chis usually go for about like $119, and I got this for $65, so this was a really good deal. So this flat iron has 5 heat settings. It goes from 330 to 410, and I've usually been putting it on about 370, so I don't know if you can see that, but I just set it to 370 and it literally takes about 2 seconds to heat up. Then I go in with heat protectant. This is the Silk Elements Silk and Strength Coconut Heat Protectant Spray. Oh, this stuff smells amazing. It smells so good. And it just gives my hair just a nice coat of shininess when I use this, and then I flat iron it. I just find my hair just looks so silky and beautiful. So I got this at Sally's for like $5. All right, so I'm just going to take a paddle brush and just brush through my hair. My hair in the morning usually takes like about 10 minutes, like 15 if I'm like really working on it and making it look nice, but it usually only takes me about 10 minutes. And that is because I never ever wash my hair in the morning. I only ever wash my hair at night. And that is just because of time purposes. There would not be enough time in the day for me to be washing my hair in the mornings. So I only ever wash my hair at night. So during the mornings, it's just super easy for me to style my hair and go. All right, I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections. And I'm going to take the heat protection spray and spray it throughout my hair, and then just go in with my brush and just brush it out. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side and just brush it out. Okay, so I usually do one side of my head at a time, so I'm gonna split down the middle again, and I'm just going to take this hair and just kind of twist it up for the time being. Okay, so I usually work in sections. That is just the fastest way. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. I'm just gonna clip the rest up so you can see, but I'm just taking a tiny section, and then I'm going in with my flat iron, and I do one pass, and then I take the flat iron and I flip it, and it creates this nice little curl. And that's literally all it is. Like, that's why it only takes me about 10 minutes in the morning, because that's all I do. All right, so again, just taking the flat iron, one pass through, and just curling right at the ends. Just like that. Now, I don't flat iron my hair every day because that is very not healthy for your hair. But this is what I do if I'm going to work, or if I'm filming a video, or anything where I want my hair to look nice. This is the way I do it. In the summertime, I feel like I do a lot more like no heat hair looks, just because like In the summertime, you're obviously going to the beach a lot. Like, it's obviously hot as hell, and you don't want your hair to be down because it just makes you hot. So I have a lot of no heat hairstyles coming up for the summertime, which I think will benefit a lot of people. All right, so when I get to the top section, I just like to make these ones a little bit more curlier than the rest. So I'll do the same thing, one pass, but I'll start the flip a little bit earlier. And it just like makes it a lot more curly. And for the very front piece, I start the curl way up top and curl it like that. All right, so this is what it looks like at the current moment. This is half my hair. I do go in and brush it out, but for right now, this is, why do I keep doing this? But for right now, this is the way I like my hair to look. So let's do the other side. Starting with the under piece, curling right under. I think I'm just gonna speed through this next part just because it's only gonna take me like a minute. And by me continuing to talk, this video is now 12 minutes. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, I'm gonna speed it up, and I will be right back. Okay, so that's the other side done. Now I'm just gonna go and kind of lightly brush through. Just kind of make it nice and fluffy. Okay, so that is it. That is how I do my hair. I don't use any hairspray or anything like that. My hair is very thick, as you can see. It holds texture itself, so it's fine. I feel like doing my hair this way is just like very 90s. I don't know, it just gives me that like old school vibe. But anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, be sure to leave me any video suggestions you have for me down in the comments below. Be sure to follow my Instagram and also subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.